We see the third part this evening from David's life, godly fear. So David was brought, his heart was towards God. We can see that he was anointed, he had the Spirit of God in him. And then we saw that he had a godly fear. He wasn't scared of God. He realized that God is greater than the lions that came against him, than the bears that came against him. And we know from David's life that David was the young man that went up against that big guy of the Philistines called Goliath. Goliath was over 9 feet tall. That was a fair size. He was quite intimidating. We could say Israel had a giant problem at that stage. But David was not scared because he had God on his side. And we can face our troubles and our difficult periods in our life because God is with us. When we have godly fear, when we fear God more than we fear our problems, when we fear the Creator more than the creation. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. If we want wisdom, learn to fear God. The knowledge of the Holy One is insight. The more we get to know God, the more we have insight in things. Then we start to understand better. Wisdom is what we should pray for.